This is a really easy and simple way to create your own collage at home. So first you'll need some PVA glue, which you can water down slightly. You'll also need various other materials from around the house, such as tin foil, some paint as well. So here I'm just looking through various food, gardening magazines and taking out any colours or pictures, anything that kind of grabs my eye. You can also use coloured paper or card and just tear off into strips. You can use scissors as well if you would prefer a straighter edge, but I quite like the ripped look of the paper. So I'm just tearing each of the pictures to size here. I'm kind of going for a strip technique, so I'm placing the collage material in strips across the page. And I'm just making sure that I'm putting the PVA on the bottom and the top of the paper, and that way it will dry nice and shiny. This is a really good way of using up old artwork that you weren't completely happy with, or maybe don't have much use for. You can actually tear up the old artwork and create a collage from that. You can also experiment with different textures, such as the tin foil here. You can use bubble wrap, you can use hessian, different types of fabric. So once you are happy with your collage, we're just going to let the glue dry. So this is just a quick example of what you can do after the glue has dried. You can add some stencils over the top, you can paint over the top, you can be really creative with it. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and we will see you the same time next week.